Welcome to this video tutorial, and today in this video I'm going to show you how we can deploy QuTScloud on the Catalyst Cloud platform. Okay, so let's get started. So first what we need to do is we need to download the QuTScloud image from the QuTScloud download center. So let's go to google.com, and on Google you can just search for QuTScloud download and you will be, let's switch to English, and yeah, you can click on this download center link, and here in the download center you can see that you can see QuTScloud and QuTScloud, and you have to download this image QuTScloud.full. okay, you click on this button and your image will start getting downloaded. Okay, so I have already downloaded it on my laptop, so I'll skip this step. And the next step is you go to the Catalyst Cloud platform, and first thing is we have to upload the image. So you click on the images section here and click on create image. Okay, so let's create an image first, and let's call it QuTScloud 452, let's say. Okay, and you can provide the link, and I have already downloaded, so I will use this one .img file. Okay, so please make sure this is .img file, and the format you have to select is raw. Okay, so once you do that, that's all you have to do. You just have to provide the path, give the name, and select the format as raw, and click on create image. Once you click on create image, the image will start uploading to QuTScloud and it will start. Okay, and the image creation process will begin. Okay, because the image uploading takes time, so let's skip that part for the video, and let me close this. Okay, so I have already uploaded one image here, QuTScloud, so we'll use this one, okay, for our video. After you have uploaded the image, after you have created the image, go to instances here, this instances section, and in the instances section what we are going to do next is we are going to create an instance using the image that we have uploaded. Okay, so let's go to launch instance, and simple configurations, just give some name, let's say Asim1 test, and we just have to keep one instance, so count is 1, and go to next. And next is the source, so you have to decide the source, so please make sure you use image. Boot source is image. Volume size minimum 1 GB is needed, so that's fine. And select the image, so go down, scroll down here, this is the image I told you we will use, so click on this button, and once you do that, your image is selected. Okay, now let's go to next. Choose any of the instances, any of the configurations. So for the sake of this video, let's take 1 CPU and 2 GB RAM, and click on this button, and once that is done, you can go into next. Okay, these parts we can do later also, so let's click on next, skip this. We can again skip this security group, so we can update later. I'll show you how to do it later. So let's click next, and next, next, and let's go to launch instance. Yeah, so I think in this step you can just provide the image source and select the configuration. Once you do that, other things I'll show you. The other remaining things are that you have to attach volume and set up the security group. Okay, so now this is the instance which is currently it is being created. So what we need to do is first I would like to attach a volume to this instance. If I click on this instance, you will be able to see that at the moment there is only one volume attached. So see, there is only one volume attached, so this is basically the image that we have attached. So let's go to volumes here, and we'll create a new volume. So let's create a new volume. And let's give it name Asim1 volume, and let's keep it 200 GB. Type I'll keep the same, B1 standard, and create the volume here. And once you have created the volume, what you need to do is you have to attach this volume to your instance. Okay, so let's wait for the volume to be created. Yeah, so this is the volume that we created. So just select this volume and go to this tab here and click on manage attachments. Once you click on manage attachments, select the instance to which you want to attach. So our instance was ASIM1 test. So click here and attach the volume. Okay, so this is how you will attach storage or volume to your existing instance. Let's wait for some time. I think maybe okay, sorry. Okay, so let's go to our instances section. Yeah, attaching instance and creating, uploading video, uploading image, these are normally little bit slow process, so I think please excuse us. And yeah, so our instance is ASIM1 test. Let's click on this instance, and once you click, you will be able to see that the new volume has been attached. Okay, so just scroll down and you can see now there are two volumes attached. Okay, ASIM1 volume is here. Okay, so now the only thing needed to be done is we have to ensure uh, the security group or the ports are open. So the security group rules we have to update or adjust. So let's click on this instance here, and let me go here, and you can see the security group which I created, the default one already has all the port settings done. But in case it's not there, what you can do is you can go to your security group. So my security group name is default, so you can go to the security groups here and go to your security group name default and click on manage rules. Okay, so once you click on manage rules, what you have to do is you have to add these four ports: 22, 80, 443, 8080. These four ports. I have already added them, but in case you have not added them, you can add these four ports. Simple way to add is click on add rule, and one by one keep adding the port that you want. So port 80, add. Okay, then port 8080, you can click on add. Then port 443, you click on add, and port 22, you click on add. Okay, so you add these four ports, and that's all you have to do for the security group. So that's all the settings and the configuration that we have to do. One final step that is remaining before we launch our instance is we have to associate this instance with the floating IP address. So just click here and click on the associate floating IP. So once you click on the associate floating IP, just select any IP address which is available here. So you can just click on any IP address and click on associate. And once you do that, I think your setup is done, and a floating IP address will be associated with your instance, and this IP address will be accessible from anywhere. So this is the IP address that has been associated. So just click here and type this IP address with, let's say, port 8080, and type it in your web browser, and you will be able to access your QuTScloud instance. Okay, so that's how we deploy QuTScloud in the Catalyst Cloud, cloud platform. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If there are any comments or any help needed, please do let us know. Most of the steps to create an instance on Catalyst Cloud are same as what you need for any other cloud platform. The only difference is at the end you have to do this floating IP, and otherwise it's almost the same as any other cloud platform. And also I think especially New Zealand users can try Catalyst Cloud, because Catalyst Cloud is one of our partner, and they are one of the best cloud platforms in Australia, New Zealand region. So they can definitely try it out. And Do share your feedback with us. Do let us know if you need any help. Okay, so thank you, thanks for your time, thanks for watching.